Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your Dahlia. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is a little more different because it's part of our school activity. I'll be sharing you of my reflection and my reaction about something I read at teaching as a vocation and a mission. Usually when we think of teaching, we see it's a profession like being a doctor, engineer, or a lawyer. But this article I read made me realize that teaching is so much more than just a job. It's actually a calling and a mission. So, what is a vocation means? A vocation means something you're called to do. It's not only about earning money, but also about following your purpose. And what is a mission means? A mission means is having a responsibility or a duty to help others, especially learners or students, to grow and succeed. So, why teaching is a vocation? Teachers don't just transfer their knowledge from book to their learners. They dedicate their hearts and mind to guide a learner or a student. Imagine every single day they face challenges, yet they continue teaching with a passion. That's what makes it a vocation. So, another way of serving others. Example. Let's have an example. A teacher who stayed late after class to tutor a struggling student isn't just doing their job. They're following their calling to help. So, why teaching is a mission? Teaching is also a mission because it has a bigger purpose. It's not just about finishing the lesson plan, it's about shaping future citizens, building good values, and creating positive change in societies. Example, when a teacher teaches honesty, respect, or teamwork, those lessons go beyond the classroom. Students bring those values into their families and communities. Reading this article opened my eyes to how much teachers sacrifice. They spend hours preparing lessons, something even use their own money for the classroom needs. Am I right? Yes, that's reality, that's true. Using their own money for the classroom needs and continue encouraging students even when it's hard. As a student, as a future teacher and educator, I realize I should value our teacher, value the teacher more. Sometimes we forget how much effort they put in because we only see the teaching part, not the preparation, patience, and the love behind that they give us. So I have three big takeaways. First, number one, teaching is not only a profession but a calling of a heart. Second one, teachers carry a mission to shape future generation. And the last one is we as a student should not only respect but also support and appreciate them. So is this. My reflection is this. Teaching is both vocation and a mission. And teachers deserve all the gratitude and respect we can give. Without teachers, there would no doctors, engineers, or leaders. Every profession starts with a teacher. So, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. So, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below about a teacher who inspired you the most. See you in my next vlog, guys. Bye bye.